Hi, this is Heidi from Gelgoog. Right now, I'm at our manufacturing center. Today, I'm gonna introduce you a dates cleaning line. Let's go. This is 2 tons per hour dates cleaning line. And the first machine is a dates sorting machine. Our machine can roll all around and let the worker to sort out all the impurities, branches, leaves, all these kind of impurities. By the vibration cleaning machine, it will vibrate dates to remove the dust and impurities. And it's easy to remove the impurities after the vibration. After remove the impurities by the vibration, the dates go into next machine. This is vibration sprayer. It's by the vibration and plus the spray to clean the dates well. And we have equipped with the water circular system to save the water consumption for customers. After first cleaning, the dates will go to the brush machine for the deep cleaning. We use a very soft brush and to clean the dates to avoid the skin be broken. As you can see, the belt is turnover shape design. When dates come to here, and it will fall down and turn around. So after several turns over, the dates will be dried. Then the dates will go to the sorting machines. We use the LED sorting machines. Here is the LED light. With a strong light, it's easier for worker to sort the bad dates out. After sorting, the dates will go to the size grading machines. As you can see, we can separate the dates in different sizes, grade 1, grade 2, and grade 3. We can customize for different grade as you want. After fill dates in the cotton, we can use this machine to cover the film on the cotton. The whole production line is controlled by PLC control. And the language can be designed as Arabic, English, and Chinese. On the cabinet, there are the whole drawings for all the machines, and you can change the running speed for all the machines. All machines are made of 304 stainless steel and the food-grade PU to ensure the food safety and makes the flushing and maintenance easier. All our models has IP55 waterproof rating to reduce the hidden dangers and ensuring the safety. All our machines are equipped with emergency stop button to ensure the production safety. Gelgoog to make the food production simpler and safer.